Welcome to this guided chakra meditation. So I'm sat in easy pose on a blanket, and on top of the blanket I've got my meditation cushion, and I'm just bringing the blanket up over my knees just to keep my legs warm. So take your time to get yourself comfortable. If you need to sit against a wall for some support in your back, we are going to be here for about 10 minutes sat cross-legged. Or if you prefer, sit in a chair with your feet firmly on the ground. So once you've got your comfortable seat, we're going to bring our palms together in prayer, close the eyes, drop the chin slightly to bring some length in the neck. And just take attention to your breath. Just notice the inhale, notice the exhale. Just let your breath be steady and even. Now start to take a little bit more control of that breath. So we inhale and exhale. I am breathing in, I am breathing out. So for this practice, we're going to work from the root all the way up to the crown. So open the eyes, place your palms down on your knees, and now turn those palms up. This allows us to receive the energy. Take a nice deep breath in through the nose, open the mouth and exhale. And let's do that again. Inhale through the nose, open the mouth, exhale. And one more time, as you inhale, allow the belly and the chest to rise, the ribs open. And as you exhale, allow yourself to melt down into the earth beneath you. Now just let that breath be steady and even. And we're going to start with our root chakra, our base chakra. In Sanskrit, this is known as Muladhara. The mantra for this chakra is Lam. L-A-M, Lam. So maybe just gently chant this to yourself, silently or out loud. Take your attention to the seat beneath you, the ground beneath you, the foundations beneath you, all the way down through to Middle Earth and beyond. Maybe visualizing the colour red. That is the colour associated with the root chakra. 2 more breaths. Now slowly move your attention up towards your sacral chakra. Sacral chakra is located just below your belly button. This is known as Svadhisthana chakra, the orange chakra. Just allow your breath to be steady and even. And our mantra for this chakra is VAM. V-A-M. VAM. As you inhale, you may silently chant VAM. And as you exhale, you might notice the colour orange. Two more breaths. Let's move up towards our Manipura chakra, our solar plexus chakra, located just at the navel point. The mantra is Ram, R-A-M, and the colour associated with Manipura is yellow. As you inhale the breath, you may silently or out loud chant the mantra Ram. As you exhale, you may notice the colour yellow. Two more breaths. Next, we move up to Anahata chakra, the heart chakra. This chakra is located in the chest area. And when we inhale, we may silently or out loud chant the mantra Yam, Y-A-M, Yam. As we exhale, we may visualize the colour green. Anahata chakra, the heart chakra. Take your attention to the centre of your chest, to your Anahata chakra. As you continue your breathing, as you're breathing in, Yam. As you exhale, colour green. Two more breaths. Next, we'll move up to the throat chakra, Vishuddhi chakra, located in the neck and by the bottom of your ears. The throat chakra mantra is Ham, H-A-M. As we inhale silently or out loud, repeat the mantra Ham. As you exhale, visualize the colour blue. Inhale the mantra Ham. Exhale the colour blue. A few more breaths. Two more breaths. Next, we're going to move up to the third eye chakra, Anya chakra. As you inhale the breath, silently or out loud, chant the mantra Om. On your exhale, imagine the colour purple. Inhale, Om. Exhale, purple. Continue your breathing, taking your focus to your third eye, the area between your two eyes. As you inhale, Om, and as you exhale, the colour purple. A few more breaths. And 2 more breaths. And then we're going to move up to our crown chakra, which is an invisible area above the top of your head. And that is your Sahasrara chakra. The mantra again is Om for this one. And the colour that I like to visualise is white, a white light. So as you're inhaling, silently chant the mantra Om, and as you exhale, imagine the white light, taking your attention to the area just above your head. As you inhale Om, as you exhale, a beautiful light, bright white light. Continue your focus to your crown chakra. And just start to realize how you feel. Maybe circle the shoulder blades. Maybe drop the head slightly. Maybe wiggle the fingers. Notice if you're feeling any energy in the body, any prana moving around the body. Now continue to focus your attention to your crown chakra, your white light. And visualize this white light moving from the top of your head all the way down through to your throat, past your third eye, all the way down through to your solar plexus, past your heart, all the way down through to your root, past your sacral chakra. Your body is now embraced in a beautiful white light. Now slowly imagine the root chakra is spinning red light, moving up to your sacrum orange, up through your solar yellow, up through your heart green, up to your throat blue, up through to your third eye purple, and back up to your crown white. Now just focus your attention on whichever light you see. Try and keep your eyes closed as you come down for Shavasana, so just take your time. You may want to prop onto your knees, a pillow for your head. You may want to wrap yourself up in a blanket. And then get yourself comfortable in your Shavasana. feet hip width apart. Take your arms out, palms facing up. Allow any tension in the jaw to relax, any tension in the hips from sitting, any tension in the knee joints, in the ankles, and just allow the feet to be heavy. Take your right palm to your chest, to your heart, if this feels comfortable. And take your left palm on top. Take your focus back to the light that you were left with before you lay down. Notice how this colour light makes you feel. Is it red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, or white? We'll leave you now for a few minutes just to enjoy the rest of this relaxing Shavasana. And we're not going to come up from here today to Namaste. I'm just going to leave you here and just allow you to come back up into the present moment when you have finished your relaxation. So just take your time, be mindful of your breath, and have a couple of more minutes just in silence, just on your own, and see how that feels. I'd like to thank you for joining me in this practice.